This is the AB53 review. Calculators are not allowed, and this is number 5. If we look at this, we are told that g prime is a continuous function for all real values of x, and my goal is to evaluate a limit. And I see on this limit that if I plug in 0 right now, I'm going to get something that's undefined and then multiplied by something that is 0. So chances are good that this is going to involve some sort of a fraction. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to rewrite this as an actual fraction, because maybe L'Hopital's will work for me. Oops, that's an x, sorry. So looking now, if I plug in 0, I'll have a 0 on the bottom, and a 0 plugged into here will give me the accumulation from a to a, which is nothing. So I have a 0 over 0, which is a candidate for L'Hopital's. So remember that in order to apply L'Hopital's rule, I need to know what the variable is, which is x, and I will take the derivative of the top, put it over the derivative of the bottom, and then reevaluate the limit. So in order to take the derivative of the top, this is why we're in section 5.3 for the fundamental theorem of calculus. When I take the derivatives of integrals, if there's a variable up at the top, I will dump that variable in, and then multiply by the derivative of what got dumped in. On the bottom, derivative of x with respect to x is just a 1. And again, I am computing that limit as x goes to 0. Notice now that if I let x go to 0, I'll get a g prime of a over 1, or just a g prime of a.